All right, so the next operator we're going to go over is the assignment operators. You guys are probably thinking, we've been using the assignment operators this whole time, equal. Well, that's just the simplest form of it. There are other assignment operators that we can use with some additional logic to it. So let's just create a variable called x, and this is going to hold the type int, and it's going to equal to 0. I just want to create a base variable with a value that we're going to just continually add on to. And this is just the simplest assignment operator. Next, we're going to use the, plus equal. This is the addition assignment operator. And just as it looks, they're just going to equal plus equal. And we're going to assign it, the number 20. And this is equivalent to x equal, lowercase x equal x plus 20. So it takes the current value of x and it just adds 20 to it. So plus equals 20. It just adds it real quick. It makes your life simple so you don't have to write all this out. So it's just plus equal, because it takes the current value of x and it just adds on to 20. Convenient. And it's pretty much the same thing for every other arithmetic operator that we used. So the next one we have is minus equal, and this is gonna be equal to x minus equal to 10. So we're gonna cut that in half, and that's gonna be equivalent to x equals x minus 10. So it takes the current value, right? And then, which is 20, because we just added 20 to 0, and we're gonna subtract that by 10 because the current value of x is 20 at this point. So that should equal to 10. The next assignment operator we're going to use is the divide, or actually no, let's do multiply. Multiply equal. And this is, following the pattern of above, which is just going to be, multiply, which is just the asterisk. And then we're going to make that equal. And then, let's choose a fun number. Let's do 5, because I want 50. And then we're going to do what that is considered. And that's going to be x equal x multiplied by 5. So the current value of x is 10, and we're going to multiply that by 5, which should make it equal to 50. And then the next one we're going to do is divide equal, which is going to be equal to x divide equal to, let's do 2. And that should be equivalent to x equal to x divided by 2. Actually, no, let's make it a whole number because this is going to make it a decimal, and we're holding an int right now, so it can't really be a decimal. So we're just going to divide that by 10. And then that should bring it back to 5. So, that's what it's equivalent to. It's equivalent to x equal x divided by 10. The current value of x is 50. If we divide it by 10, it should be 5. And then the last one we're going to use is modulus, which is x modulus equal, or actually I didn't put the comment, So that is modulus equal, and then that's x, had caps lock on, x modulus equal, and currently it's equal to 5. So if I do modulus 5, modulus returns the remainder. So actually, let me just write this all out. X modulus, x is equal to x modulus, and then 5. And then that should be equivalent to 0 because x is holding 5 here. And then if we do modulus by 5, then it shouldn't have a remainder, so it should equal to 0. And we're gonna print that all out so that you guys can see the values on each step. Oops. Probably should have did that from the beginning, but I was so in the zone. I was like there's no point. But I want you guys to see exactly how it does it, and as you guys can see, it really does shorten. And let me just print out the beginning value so you guys can see it pretty much change values as it goes through each one. So I'm gonna run that, and you guys see it starts at 0, then it goes to 20, then it goes to 10 after we subtract it by 10, then we multiplied it by 5, which makes it 50, then we divided it by 10, which makes it 5, and then we use modulus to see what is the remainder. So cool stuff. If you guys don't want to write out this whole thing, this whole assignment operator, we could just use these shortened assignment operators to get the same logic going. So these are the assignment operators that you can use in Kotlin.